Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: battery above 50%, firmware at V1, 2 or later, and a 5G SIM with an active data plan. Once done, plug the Ez50 into USB-C or join the Ez50 setup Wi-Fi. That opens the setup portal. Enter your carrier credentials and device admin password. Make sure to allow network access when prompted, because the unit needs to register on 5G bands. Start the first connection now, and proceed only after you see a solid signal indicator. Once connected, you configure advanced network parameters. Choose 5G band priority and enter the correct APN. This ensures optimal throughput and carrier compatibility. Then set DHCP or assign a static IP for devices that need fixed addressing, and configure port forwarding where required for servers. Make sure to enable CoS to prioritize latency-sensitive traffic. Also set firewall rules tight enough to be safe, yet allow essential ports. Save changes and reboot the modem if the portal requests it. You finalize by running a speedtest and verifying latency, so you can compare expected 5G performance against real results. Confirm attached devices and throughput per device, then export the configuration file and enable automatic firmware updates for stability. If connections are unstable, reboot the Ez50 and reset the SIM first, then reset the APN to the carrier defaults. If problems persist, document LED codes and signal levels and contact carrier support with that information. This speeds resolution and prevents unnecessary reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.